Okay, guys, I'm going to show you real quick how to send me a picture using your Chromebook, how to send it in an assignment on Canvas, okay? Um, First, okay, you have to go to this little circle right here on the bottom left. That's called the launcher. When you click on it, it's going to open up this arrow pointing up, and that's so we could find the camera. And then we will click on the camera, and it'll open up your camera. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about this. Let me make it big. Okay, this right here, it has some tools right here. It's kind of hard to see them. Let me see if I get them on my shirt. Yeah, there you go. You could see them. Okay, this are these little lines that you see, and that's so it could help you keep your paper straight. It'll help you with that. And then this right here is called the mirroring. So when your letters look backwards and you click that, it should look the right way. But let's see. Okay, so first you would get your paper and hold it straight. This will take a little bit of practice. Took me a while. Okay, so, okay, you would hold it. And again, these little lines right there, it kind of like helps you keep your paper straight, okay? If you send it to me, try to get it as straight as possible. Okay, and then this here, if your paper looks like that, I won't be able to read it. So you have to click this little mirroring little image right here. And you click it and it fixes it right away, okay? This is how you take the picture. You just snap it to take a picture. You could take a video, you could take a photo. It's already highlighted on photo, and that's what we need. So you're just going to take a picture, and that's it. Okay, so you have to send me 2 files. The second page, hold it up straight. Make sure it's pretty straight right there. Okay, and you just take the picture. Okay, that's it for that. You could turn your camera off by clicking on the X. It'll take you back to Canvas. Okay, I have mine on student view. This assignment is in my reading course under modules, under Wednesday. Send me a picture file. Okay, when you click on that, you will go, you're going to do this after you listen to a read aloud, and then you're going to draw your favorite part of the story on a sheet of paper, and then you're going to take the picture of it, then send it to me. Okay, so you will first click on submit assignment. Once you click on submit assignment, when this down here opens up, you guys practice how to send me a text entry. That's when you write in the box and it sends it to me. File upload is what you need to do to send me a picture. It says upload a file or choose a file you've already uploaded. Okay, so you will go to choose a file, and it should be the top files because these top images right here, the last 2 are the last 2 that we took. So first we took this one. Okay, I'm going to open it up. And you see these numbers right there that end with a .jpg? Okay, that's a JPEG image. This is a picture. And I need to add my second one. So I will choose a file. And so the last picture I took, my second one should be the top one. Okay, I'm going to click on that. Okay, there you go. So now I have my files selected already to send to me. If I had another, I just click plus, add another. And in here, you could type me a message. And then, or anything that you have to tell me to add to your assignment. And then you click submit assignment. It might take a little bit to upload. And so when it is done uploading, it looks like I have a slow connection this morning. But when this is done uploading, over here on the side, you will see your files and that they have been sent to me. So if you see it over here, it's because you already sent it to me. And that should be it. Once you click that, it should go through. Yes, my recording is about to stop, so you'll just have to see that part on your own, but it'll send it to me, and that's it. Okay, let me stop.